So think of it like a road trip. So any vehicle that you pick is going to be different for the different length of time you're investing for and the speed that you're going to be investing for. So it can seem daunting picking an investing vehicle. It's a bit like looking under a bonnet of a car and you see all this kind of the machinery and the kind of engineering, and it can be quite daunting and it can be quite scary to say, actually, what are we, think of it when you're driving for the first time. It can be quite scary getting in a car, and especially if you've never driven before, you've seen people crash before, and you see kind of crashes on the news, and so it can be daunting. But like driving, investing is a life skill, and you get better by the more you practice, and by getting good education and getting experience as well will improve your results. So it will improve how quickly you'll get to your destination, and it will also improve by reducing your fees as well, and using tax efficient vehicles as well. So using ISAs that we talked about in previous videos, and pensions as well. So these are tax efficient, and it's a bit like having efficiencies it's like fuel efficiencies in your vehicle. So all these things help to get to your end destination quicker, safer, and less stress and worry. So that's what this course was designed to solve.